Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Minecraft. Today I'm showing you how to get a loomer. Well, how to get like a banner painter. So, like, if you find some cobwebs, yeah, like here, there's some cobwebs here. Just wait. Okay, I might need a sword. So guys, the recipe is really easy. Wait, let me just kill an iron golem. This iron golem is strong. Wait, I need his iron. Finally dead. Okay, we need this puppy for when we want to make a dye for the banner. Now we need some wooden planks. Let's go get some. These wooden planks are really easy to find. You can find them almost anywhere. I won't break the beehive. Now, all we do is make some wooden planks, make some sticks, make a crafting table, that run before a bee comes, and then after that, put the crafting table down, make a sword. Then after that, now we have a sword. Let's get some cobwebs. So you can mine cobwebs with a sword. And we need the string from the cobwebs to make the loom or a banner maker. Just get 2 pieces of string, and we have just the amount of wooden planks we need. Now let's start making it. Let's go back to our crafting table and see, this is the loom. Then, yes, we need a banner. So, yeah, let's just go in creative for a little while just to get a banner. So let's get some wool. So to make a banner, you need some wool. To use the loomer with the to use the loomer, you need to make a white banner. Okay, put the white banner aside. Then put any dye you want. The scroll thing, I'll show you what to do with it later. So you can make like an X. Like, don't come near. And now, let's go find some flowers so I can show you the example. Or actually, I could just go creative. Now, let's... so scroll. No, not scroll. Banner. Okay, so there's like flower chart sculpture. So let's, for example, let's do this. Oh, we need another banner. So let's get this. And what color should we use? We should use, for example, brown. And then after that, we put the brown with the skull charge, and then the skull charge will be brown. Flower charge, for example. this is what the banners look like. You can do something else with it, like, okay, now let me show you a really cool design. You put this in there, put this in there, then after that you can do this, or maybe you could, like, well, I don't know what looks good, but you can add this, but it won't look good. Yeah, then after that you can do this, and yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. Bye guys!